Hello, I'm Nadine. I'm so happy you're here. A very warm welcome. So, today we are making a healthy ish Pina Colada inspired chia pudding. It has all those refreshing flavors of coconut and pineapple. It is so yummy, and I have a super cute presentation idea for you. Let's start. This chia pudding comes together very quickly, and these are the ingredients for one serving. So, if you want more, you can obviously double the recipe. I'll have the recipe on my website, and I'll put the link in the description for you. So, this is half a cup of coconut milk. So, we'll start with that. And 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can use the black ones or the white ones. So that's your ratio. For half a cup of liquid, you need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and all you do is mix it, and then the chia seeds will do their wonderful thing, and they'll start expanding, and this will start to thicken. While this is hanging out, I have half a cup of fresh pineapple that I just pureed in the food processor. Actually, I just used the chop button. It doesn't have to be fully pureed. And then I toasted some coconut, shredded coconut. I just put it in the oven at 350 for about 5 or 6 minutes on a baking tray with parchment paper, and then it just develops its flavor, and it's crunchy and nutty and a wonderful addition. And then we just have some sliced almonds. Okay, so it's been 10-15 minutes and it's already starting to thicken up, and we're just going to layer it. So in a mason jar, whatever you're using, you can just put all the chia in it and the toppings on top. But if you layer it, it's nice because with every bite you get all of the ingredients. So it's better and it looks pretty. Let's start the layering. Chia goes in first. I'm just being careful not to mess up the sides. Look how pretty! So now we will just pop this in the fridge. It's you have to do it for a couple of hours. Overnight is best. And stay with me because I'm going to show you a super cute presentation idea. So here is the presentation idea. We are going to make this look like a flamingo because why not? Okay, so I just have these scrunchies. You can just use new ones. You can get them off Amazon in big packs. So the idea is that this is sort of the body of the flamingo, the feathery part. I'm using 2 for extra ruffles. And this is just a little flamingo beak. Look how pretty! Let's taste this. So basically this doesn't have, it's healthy-ish because it doesn't have any dairy and it doesn't have any refined sugar. We are just relying on the natural sweetness of the pineapple, and they are very sweet because they're in season, they're fresh, and I pureed them a little bit. That's really yummy. It's such a refreshing taste. I feel like I want to be on an island somewhere on a beach. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it for dessert, you can have it as a snack. Many, many options. And just look how adorable these are. So the full recipe will be on my website, nadineali.com. I'll put a link in the description. If you make these, please tag me on Instagram. I love seeing those pics, and come say hi there. I'm very active on Instagram. And I'm going to have these recipes every week. So please remember to subscribe, like the video, hit the bell, share this with your loved ones. Until next time.